Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the enumerated data type. So normally the enumerated data type is the user defined data type. Means here the user can create their own data type. So here it allows a user to create its own data type, and you can define whatever you're creating the data type with the values. So those values will be taking the some variables of this data type here. So for example, you can see here the user defined data type is having the all the properties of the integers. Okay, so once here the integers are applied into the enumeration data type, so now here the enumeration will be having the 2 bytes of the size. For example, only here I am taking, if you are choosing the user defined data type with all the properties of the integer only, so whatever your integer will be having the size is equal to the our enumerated data type. So now here we can create our user defined data type by using the integer. So or else here you can create without any other thing, that is possible. And you can see here we have the one syntax to define with our enumerated data type here. So let's start here, and before starting with that, here you can see here the enumerated data type will be having the one keyword that is like your enum. Instead of the enumerator, here you can write the enum. Okay, so enum means enumerated data type. Okay, with the syntax here we can define the our enumerated data type. So here you can see enum. This is the our keyword for the enumerated. And here what you're defining, in this you're defining the data types. Here I'm taking the data type with a name. Data type name. I'm taking the data type name. And next here, once you're opening this, here you can write the several values. You can see here we have the values to that variables we are writing. So here we can choose the several variables or else several values to this. Here I am taking the up to so on value n. Once you completed, close the our enum data type. Or else here you can write this one into the single line also is possible. Enum data type name and values. You can see here we can write, or else you can write this one in the form of enum, or you can write enum data type name, or else you can write with the tag name is also possible. Okay, once you can open the brace, in this here you can write the value 1, value 2 and up to so on value n. Like this also you can define the our enumerated data type. So like this, or else you can define with the enumerated data type like this. Once you define this one, you can assign this into means here whatever you have the enum, that is the keyword into the our user defined data type. Here you will be having the data type name, right? So means here what it is like whatever you're taking the name for the programmatic, that you can write with the data type name. And whatever you have the values here, these will be set of enum values. These values are the set of enumerated values. Okay, just here I'm choosing the one simple example to define with this. Here you can see, here I'm taking the enum performance. Enum performance. So just here I'm taking the in the performance some values. Excellent, excellent, good, average and the poor, best. Okay, like that here you can define the our performance, means several values you can write into this, and after completing of that here you can close this one. Okay, you can see here normally whenever you're defining all the data types here, whatever the user is entered, that is performing, right? But in this enumerated data type, your user can create their own data types, right? So here I'm taking the my data type, that is the performance. In the performance, I have the some words like your excellent, good, average, poor, best, like this here. So one person is getting like your good marks. For example, one person is getting good marks, you can say yes, excellent, or else it may be the good. If that person is just got the average marks, means you're just average, you can say. And like your, if the person is like your failure, you can say poor. And comparing to the all the persons, they got the best marks, means you can say the best. So like that, your user define the own data type. That is possible by the our enumerated data type. So you can assign anything, that is possible. Or else you can assign this one for the weekdays also. So for example, another example here I'm writing, that is the example 1. Here I'm writing the example 2. Here we have the weekdays or the 7 days, right? So 7 days means here we have the 7 values here, you can see. So second type here I'm writing enum. So here our data type name, what we have, weekdays we are writing, right? So for the case here, you can mention the our data type name is like your week. In the week here, you can define whatever you have the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the Saturday. Okay, like this also here we can define the our enumerated data type. Means here not only for the performance in the week, any examples you can choose. If you're taking the just if you need to be know what we have at present, means in a week today. Okay, so then it can be choose like your whatever you have the present today. Like that here we can perform the our enumerated data type. Okay, thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.